Let's go.
Oh, look at these pretty flowers. Oh, this is a pretty place. Why have I never come here before? Oh, it's pure black water. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is trippy as fuck. The horses ain't flying, why is that? Come on. Come on horse, go over there. I wanna see you fly. Oops. Now I'm lost, I don't know where the house is. Oh, wait, I found him. Oh my god. Woo! Wow. It's pretty cool. It's pretty easy to build on. I'm about to move. Well, that was weird. Look at this mess. There's my black horse. Again. Oh, hello, Mr. Horsey. Get in the water. Get in the water. Alright, we're going over there. Oh, you're such a... Right, you need to just go here. Oh,